Before time carved its tail into the rocks of history, before borders divided the earth into nations, there was Africa, the cradle of life, the birthplace of humanity. Africa is where our story begins. Scientific evidence through DNA analysis has proven that all humans trace their origins to this vast and beautiful continent. Here, our earliest ancestors walked upright, built communities, and lit the spark of innovation that would illuminate the path of human progress. This isn't just Africa's story, it's your story, my story, our story. Humanity owes its very existence to the heart of this land. From the architectural wonders of ancient Egypt to the ingenious trade networks of the great kingdoms of Mali, Songhai, and Kush, Africa was home to advanced civilizations when much of the world lay in darkness. Did you know that African astronomers were studying the stars as early as 3000 BCE? Or that Africa developed advanced systems of metallurgy and engineering centuries before these innovations appeared elsewhere? But Africa's legacy isn't just written in stone, it's written in the pages of history. In 859 CE, the University of Al-Qarawiyyin was established in Morocco by a remarkable African woman, Fatima al-Fihri. Recognized as the world's oldest university, it became a hub of knowledge that connected cultures and shaped minds. Think about this, long before Europe's great universities, Al-Qarawiyyin was teaching mathematics, medicine, astronomy, and law, ideas that would later fuel the global Renaissance. Africa is a symphony of cultures, a continent of storytellers, artists, and visionaries. Its oral traditions preserved history and wisdom long before the written word, and its art has inspired countless movements around the world. From the rhythmic beats of Afrobeat to the bold brushstrokes of African art, the cultural influence of Africa transcends borders and resonates with the world. Neo-Africanism is about more than looking back, it's about looking forward. It's a redefinition of Africa's identity, one rooted in pride, progress, and global collaboration. It's a call to embrace our shared heritage and harness the potential of this continent to create a brighter future for all. Africa is rising, not as a continent seeking validation, but as a leader shaping the narrative of humanity's shared destiny. Africa's story is universal. Its history is a testament to resilience, its present is a celebration of diversity, and its future is a promise of innovation. Whether you are in New York, Nairobi, or New Delhi, Africa's success is humanity's success. Africa's story is far from over, it's just beginning. From the cradle of humanity to the forefront of progress, this continent stands as a beacon of hope, innovation, and unity. Neo-Africanism invites us all to celebrate our shared heritage, challenge outdated narratives, and build bridges toward a future that benefits everyone. So, where do you fit in this story? Will you join us in celebrating Africa's past, shaping its present, and co-creating its future? The time is now. The call is clear. Let's rise together.